Switzerland, a land where nature meets perfection. From towering peaks to crystal clear lakes, these are the top 5 most breathtaking places you must visit. Standing tall like a guardian of the Alps, the Matterhorn watches over Zermatt. This is a paradise for adventurers, where skiers carve through the slopes and hikers chase the horizon. The Gornergrat Railway takes you to views you'll never forget. A hidden paradise, Lauterbrunnen, the valley of 72 waterfalls. Here nature whispers through every drop of water, every gust of wind. Take a deep breath. This is Switzerland's fairy tale brought to life. A mirror to the sky, Lake Geneva reflects the beauty of Switzerland. Stroll through the vineyards, visit the medieval Chateau de Chillon, or simply watch the sunset paint the waters golden. Interlaken, where adrenaline meets beauty. Whether you're skydiving from the clouds, paragliding over turquoise lakes, or riding to Jungfraujoch, Europe's highest railway station, this place redefines adventure. In the heart of Switzerland lies Lucerne, a city where history and nature intertwine. Walk through the medieval chapel bridge, cruise across the serene Lake Lucerne, or stand atop Mount Pilatus to witness a view like no other. Switzerland is more than a destination. It's a dream waiting to be explored. Which of these places would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cinematic journeys.